Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorial how to create 3D spline. For example, I will draw 3D part, so you can click on top plane, click sketch, and I will draw a rectangle in it. We draw two rectangle, click OK, and then use extrude tools to convert into 3D. After it, I will select this face and create a circle the top here. And the next, I will select again at this face. We create a circle. Now, use extrude tools to extrude the circles, and I will move into another direction. So it will be cut the object. Click OK. And we select again the circle. Click extrude. And then cut again. Now I will create 3D splines from these points into here. But you need to create 4 points. I will click at this icon, point, and click at this axis. For reference, I will select at this face. And for the new points, I will click again the axis. And then for the reference, I will select at this face. For the third, we create again from this point. So you can click in it. Okay, select at this line. And then for reference, select a face. And the next, I will select for the new points in this axis. For reference line, we select at this. Click OK. So we already create 4 points. To create 3D spline, you can go to cube and then choose cube stroke points. It will be automatically create the 3D spline. Done, you can click OK. So you can click here, the points. Then this is for the 3D spline. Okay, that's it for a basic Creo tutorial, how to create 3D spline. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.